Ooh, that pulled it out, didn't it, see? Ah! Stabbing myself. Yeah, bang! See, I tell you what. Yeah, but what if I had a cut then on my hand? Would have fucking stung to it. Cat deed, mate. Cat deed. See that? H4 Dent Repairs Limited. Ah! Ah! So they can burn me. Ah, fucking hell, you bastard, yeah.
Indigo Production.
Piece of shit gonna take. Welcome back to the video. So today I'm just gonna try and, well, no fucking windscreen here, but just see this dent here. So can you make that out if you get an angle on it? Can you see it dents? Yeah, I'm gonna try to get that out. I've never done it before, but this car's a bag of shit. There we go. Big fat dirty stinking bass. There we go, see. Get that on there, much. Fucking glasses cause it's shite. Get down the edge there. Just fucking leave it there. And there, this is the arsenal there, Sneak. Bang, bang, bang. You get me? You get me? Big, fat, dirty, stinking bass. Fucking hell, bastard, and we're out already. Fucking shite, man. Fucking hate this car. Big, fat, dirty, stinking bass. There we go, straight in there, boys. There we go. There we go. Get them zooms in, Sadiq. Get it in. Fucking hot glue on it. Fucking stick him right there, mate. Get that little bastard there, man. Get him on there. Stick him right there, mate. Fucking let it dry up. Let that just boil up. What are we saying here? We're ready. What do you think? Big, fat, dirty, stinking bit. Oh, where's my thing? Sadiq, come on. Help. Yo, where's my fucking thing left? Where's my hooker? What the fuck? Oh, put your touch. There we go, straight in there. So you get his zooms in here, mate. Ooh, that pulled it out, didn't it, see? That pulled it right down, mush. Get that one there. Yeah, fucking Egypt. Oh, see, yo, shit, yo, the big one did some work. Them alcohol. Oh, did I have it in the car? Big fat dirty stinking face. Fucking glasses, eh? Do that. Help good safety. That works, that act. See, where the fuck? Alcohol. Big fat dirty stinking bass. I'm a fucking detail in me, mate. Just spray alcohol, 100% alcohol straight on it, mush. Oh mate, see, I'm not even gonna lie here, bro. Fucking done that. Better than before, didn't it? Look at that. Get that big one straight on there. Where does it go? Drop him on. It was the big one. It was the big one, Sadiq, that did the job. Wasn't it? I'll get him right there, man. What do you think, Zeke? Yeah. It was the big one. Get that juiced up there. Straight on there, you bastard, yeah. You stay right there. And then, have a little gander. Stick him anywhere there. Fucking get him out there, mate. You know what I mean? Like, fucking cunt. Maybe smack him there. You see what I'm doing here? You getting these zooms in, Sadiq? Sadiq, do not piss about. Right, we're in productions. Here we go. Here we go. Get another one in there. Reload. Not me much. No, I'm sorry. Right, that'll be alright. What do you think, Sadiq? Oh, Sadiq, shall we get a thumbnail there? Oh, just half a fucking windscreen. Yeah. Right, Sadiq, you better fucking pay attention around here. Yeah. Fucking hell, he's on him. He's not willing to come up. There we go. Mate, we are getting that fucking dent out. We need an extension mush. We're stuck a bit too much glue on him. We need a big boy there. We need a big one. Today we need a big one. That's it. That's it. Oh wait, where's my thing? Sadiq, help. Help me. Which way was it here now? Bang. Bang to flat spring. That. Like that, I think it was that. Fucking find out here. Oh, you don't even need a spring. Fucking find out, mate. I think it is like that. I'm gonna fucking go in there. Bastard cunt. Yeah, straight on there. Straight on there, Mosh. There we go. Yeah, bang! Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Sweet. Are we winning? Give it a little gloss over. Come straight off, Mosh. See that? H4 Dent Repairs Limited. Get off. It's like it's allergic to fucking alcohol. Look at it, crumbles, comes straight off. No messing. You know what I mean? So see it? Fucking hell, see, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. That's fucking straight on that bush. That is Dent Repair Limited. Look at that compared to before. You get the same angle that you recorded before, so it's literally just a little ding. Just a little ding there, Mosh. Ah, fucking stabbed me. And I know the perfect man for that job. No, it was the engraved door. Ooh, look at that, straight in there. Bang! Bastard. Juice him real nice, boy. Ish. Straight in there, boy. Yes. Yeah. Mate, I am a fucking dent repair. Should I just make another dent? Fucking fix it. I'm fucking love it. I ain't got no more dents. Fucking alright that. Who else needs dent repair there now? Got a dent on that. Mate, this is good work this. I fucking charge for this. I ain't got no more. Bastard, yeah. What are we saying here, see? Dry. Dry it up. Ooh, we are getting there. This one here is curved, yeah. I don't think it actually stays on. Maybe I need one more. It's like, because it's curved, it's not getting that, it's not getting right in there. I think I need a flatter one. I think maybe in. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Ah, fucking hell, that's right. Fucking hell, a bit of shit right now. Ah! Ah! So they can burn me. Ah, fucking hell, you bastard, yeah. Ah. Sort that. Fucking burnt me. Fucking hell. Why do I do the things that I do? Could that be? You got in there. Hey, what are you doing? Look at that, man. I'm a fucking genius, man. Look at that. Oh, he's gonna pull straight the fuck out, mate. No, I mean, see. Ow!
Let's put some alcohol in it.
Hey? Oh, yeah. See, I tell you what. Yeah, but what if I had a cut then on my hand? Would have fucking stung to it. Cat deed, mate. Cat deed. So that comes straight off. Huh? Health and safety precautions. So fucking shit, guy. See what shall I buy next? M140.
Yeah.
M140, A45, 335D, Golf R. Shall we get to the... This is going straight in scrapyard, this. Fucking buy this shit. Ow! Fucking slicing. What do you think, sweet? Let it. Cut what? Whoa, here we go. See, when it bangs like that, you know something's like... Yo, hiya! Sadiq. Fuck right off mush. Compared to what it was before. Sell me, eh? What are you saying? What are you saying to me?
Yeah, that's enough.
That's enough. Nah, one more bang on that. You straight on. What do you think, sweet?
Yeah.
I'll see. That's the spirit. Oh. I'm a fucking genius, mate. Oh. Do you need anything hot gluing? Because right now we've got. Do you see? Oh shit, it's got alcohol on me as well. I'm gonna put fucking loads on here now. Ah, it's caked. Oh, shit. This square one was doing bits as well today. Wasn't he, sweet? It's crazy how alcohol just literally just doesn't like it, just comes straight off. It is it. See, you paying attention? You're just looking on the road then. Got the RS. Get yourself up. No matter. Straight down there, much. Get it down. Did you capture the dent what it was before, see? That disgusting one, man. Look at it now. Ah, it's fucking spider web, right? Glue webs. That's fucking beautiful, that. Ah, fuck. Ha. Needs bumping. Needs bumping. This can take time now. You gotta go around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. Bum, bum, bum. I need it flat, not like that. Bump that off. How long are we rolling for there? 9 minutes. 9? Fucking beautiful. Yeah, dirty bastard. Ooh, what you do to me? Oh yeah. Sadiq, are we winning or we fuck? It's just this little groove here. What do you mean alright? I can get, oh yeah, it's literally just a little bump. 100 there. Yeah, bump it around the sides and then give it one quick bang. Yeah, you heard me, Sadiq. Replace that, Sadiq.
What?
Shut up, Sadiq. You need a flat one. Fucking spider web over there. We need a flat one now, Sadiq. Are you with me? Fucking nonsense music. Bam 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 bam. We need a flat. Bam 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 bam. Bastard, man. One good tug on that now. Ah! Stabbing set. Where's that bug? Left clean. What the fuck is that? Glue everywhere. Oh, Sadiq, where there, brother? Sadiq, where there, brother? Look at that there, mosh. Look at that. How we looking on that camera? We are fucking fixed is what I'm saying, bastard, yeah. That's done that. Right. Cheers for watching. You want to learn how to do it? Well, honestly, I've lost interest in this car. I just think you should just fucking ram it into a tree. That's done that kind of thing. Yeah, it's fucking bad, isn't it? It's literally the slightest little colour, little smidge like that, but I have nothing to push it in with. But that, compared to what it was before, it's fucking bang. What I've just been doing is just kept on gluing, banging, gluing, banging. Yeah. So I'll happily end this video here.